eat an apple. Beep, all the ball is big. The cat can run. The dog is cute. Egg, I have an egg. The fish can swim. The goat eats grass. Hat, this is my hat. Ice is cold. The jug has water. Kite, my kite can fly. The lion is strong. Mango, I like mango. Net, the net is small. The owl can see. Pen, this is my pen. Queen, the queen is kind. The rat is fast. The sun is hot. The tree is tall. I have umbrella. Then a van is red. Double watch, I have a watch. Ox, the box is full. The yak is big. Soon I go to the zoo.
Subscribe now.